you're hurt. You poor little thing.
Hello, everybody. It's time once again for your favorite guessing game, Name That Sound. This is the game where you folks at home play along with us here in the studio for no prizes. Is everybody ready? Then what are we waiting for? It's time to play Name That Sound. Today's mystery sounds will all be musical instruments. Coco will play an instrument, and you folks will have to guess what it is. And here's our first instrument.
Z E Z A L Y.